Hello, hello. What happened when you receive a draperies like this? Belong to Mrs. Sears in Texas. Old customer that used my service already the third time. And you can see what I'm talking about. Take a look. Now, you ask yourself, can I remove the stain? Maybe. Can I guarantee to remove the urine odor? For sure. So let me clean it, and tomorrow I'm going to send you a video. You can watch the video before and after, and let's see how good I am. Thank you. Hello. Yesterday you saw the video. Look today. As a brand new PetPeePee, I'm so proud of myself. Look at this. My wife, please pull it from the other side. And voila. No stain. No stain. No odor. The drapery, it's like a brand new. Mrs. Sears from Texas will be happy. Thank you very much. PetPeePee, drapery cleaning from dog and cat's urine odor. And please, don't try to do it at home. You're going to ruin this beautiful piece. Thank you for watching.
My dog peed on the carpet.